Dave here with Half Dozen Customs. Out in the shop today. Today's Monte Carlo day, but it's almost lunchtime, so I'm getting ready to go in and eat lunch. But before I do, I got some new kicks. So the old ones, they have my new ones too, but they're steel-toed. I'm gonna cut steel toe out of them and keep them for, you know, maybe a later project, whether it be art or a car. I learned that years ago from Ian Roussel. He had a video back from the dead. I don't know if it was one or two. There's two of them. But he did that in one of his videos where he kept the steel toe boot, and he ended up putting it on. He had this old roadster style pickup truck, and he ended up putting it up on the cowl right in front of the windshield for air ventilation into the cab. I thought it was a really cool idea, and you know, so now I keep steel toe tips. Never know when you might come into something where you need them. So just gonna cut these open and get this steel toe out of here. So try and make my shoes last as long as possible, but these were just falling apart. So here we go. Here's the steel tip out of there. So and the last time he had it sitting like that on the cowl. The motor was up here, and he drilled a hole in the cowl and welded this up to it, and it was just air ventilation into the cab. I thought it was a really cool idea, so I just hang on to them. It's a good thick piece of steel. So voila, now I can throw those shoes away. And you know, not that they're going on this vehicle, but you know, if we were to use them on a vehicle like what Ian did, you know, he just had a couple of little air scoops up on the cowl there to give ventilation in. So you know, these old vehicles like that, they have this cowl thing that lifts up. A lot of times they're destroyed, they're broken, you end up having to get rid of them. So, you know, that's just an option that you can do. So, and I, you know, by all means, I'm not taking credit for that. Like I said, Ian Roussel is the one who showed me that. Thought it was a cool idea, so I just hang on to them now. I'm out. Lunchtime. Thanks for joining us.
Oh.